Hello traders and welcome to Trading with Bill, Options and Forex. Thank you for joining me. It is June 18th, 2014 on a Wednesday, and we call that Hump Day. Middle of our trading week. Great to be with you. Please come visit me at tradingwithbill.com. Find some neat stuff. Check out my website. It's pretty cool. It's nothing big, just something to hang out with. All right, traders, it is a Wednesday and it's great to be with you. It is monsoon time in Thailand and we are in the middle of a storm. Weather's not good. Hopefully I'm going to get this up into YouTube and you guys can see this before I need to shut down. I will be shutting down early today, and due to the situation I'm facing here in Thailand, this is a short video today. We'll only be covering options today. However, before we get there, let me introduce myself to you. I didn't do that yesterday, in case you don't know who I am. My name is William Gilday, and they call me Bill. All right, that's me, traders. I started trading in 2006. 2008, I retired from a wonderful career in the Fire Rescue Department in the great state of Florida. And I got on the big airplane, came over to Thailand for a 3-month vacation. Traders, it's 2014. I'm still here. I trade options, I trade Forex, and I absolutely love what I do. I love being in front of my charts. I love being in front of my computers. I just think it's so cool as a second career that I do what I do, and it's just awesome. And it's great to be able to share with you the things that I'm doing, and hopefully you can enjoy it as much as I do. All right, traders, let's move along here. This is the risk disclaimer. Forex and options trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you are not, comfortable with your financial situations, please go to a demo account and don't trade your expense money until you can trade the markets comfortably. You just find it so much more easier and your trades will go so much more smoother without you having to be biting your nails wondering if you're going to lose the trade or not. So it's just a good thing to trade comfortable. All right, traders, don't mean to beat on it, but only options today, no Forex charts today due to my weather situation, and we need to get this up and I need to shut these computers off. Raining, cloudy, nasty, windy. Every 3 hours or so we get some lightning and thunderstorms. So not a fun day today in my part of the world, but wanted to get something up into the YouTube so you guys had something to look at today. We have been talking about options, and here we are, guys. This is the spiders. This is the S&P 500s, and look at this yesterday. You can see that we have an up move here. It absolutely ended yesterday on a high, and I am currently in the trade. I placed a trade about an hour ago, so the New York markets are closed. That's why you see the limit on the top of my chart, because the market is closed, and I am waiting for the order to get executed once the New York session opens today. I will not be there, so I had to put the order in early. So that's what's going on. Let's go down to the DNA. If you look at that blue line on my chart, that blue line is pointing straight up. I love it. That is the DNA. And take a look at MACD. MACD is showing green. Stochastics is showing green. We're going long. And that's basically what we did. We went here and we took a trade on a bull put. We took a bull put trade on this. And basically what we're doing is we're selling a vertical. And we're saying that we're going to take this trade, and we want this trade to continue going down, and we're going to take advantage of time decay. And as long as this does not hit a certain level, and I'm going to show you that on the next chart, we're going to be in profit. All right, let's move on to the next one. This is the same one. We're only talking about one pair today. So I took this trade, and the first red line on the chart below price is 192. So as long as this trade stays above the 192 price level, I will be in profit in 2.5 days, because we will be getting out of the trade before the Friday close in the New York markets. So it's going to be less than 3 days that I'm going to be in this trade. Absolutely awesome. Now, I only placed, and I'm going to show it to you. Well, let's go to the next thing, and let me show you the options window here. Let's go over here, take a look at that. Okay, so we were looking at, this was a 20 put Okay, this is a 20 delta. And again, this is a bull put. So this is a 20 delta. We either do a 20 delta or a 50 delta. Being I got into this late, we opted on the 20 delta. So that is where we took our, sold our vertical. And let's show you the trade. And this is a put, so that's why on the right side of this, and it's not a call, which would have been on the left side. But so we took a 20 delta, and you can see that's my position. And you can see that it's in the box. I'm just waiting for the markets to open for Thinkorswim to activate my trade. Okay, let's take a look at the monitor screen. And this is the monitor screen. I just wanted to show you this, that we're inside the monitor screen here. And the trade is in there, and I have 3 contracts on this, 3 contracts. So there's about, I think it's $72 I can make on this trade in basically 2.5 days if it goes to 100% profit. I'm not going to wait for it to get there. I will probably, if I get to 50 or 60%, I'll just get out of the trade. I'll take my $50 or $60 and I'll just get out of the trade. And that is, a profitable trade. Hopefully nothing crazy comes out today, and this just stays above that 192 level. And as long as it stays above 192, we're going to stay in profit. I do have the other part of the vertical is at 190. So if this, for some reason, all of a sudden tanks on data or something comes out crazy that this all of a sudden tanks, what happens is basically I will, if it gets down below 190, it'll start to make me money and basically offset, basically hedge my loss. So my loss won't be as big. But the trick to that, traders, is when you're trading options, you have to look at your trade every day. That is the biggest thing. You must look at your trade every day. If you don't look at your trade every day, you're just missing out. A lot of people get into options, they put trades on, and they come back. If they're doing monthly options, they come back 27 or 28 days later and see where that trade is. It only takes a couple of minutes to look at your trade. Make sure you're okay. And if you need to make adjustments or get in or get out, whatever you have to do, you can do that comfortably. And just look at your trade every day. Traders, I know this was a very quick video, and I apologize. Well, I don't apologize. It's not my fault. It's Mother Nature, and the weather is quite bad here. So I need to get this up into YouTube, which will take me about an hour to render this to the internet YouTube gods and get this out there for you. So, yeah, this is great. Thanks, my friends. I'm glad you stuck with me today. Like I said, we'll be back hopefully tomorrow, and we'll have a normal session. So remember, my friends, please trade smart and not hard. Traders from Pattaya, Thailand, in the monsoon, have a great trading day, and we'll see you later. Take care now. Bye-bye.